Coronation Emblem will feature through the historic celebrations in May. It pays a tribute to King Charles III's love of the natural world, depicting the flora and the four nations shaped as St Edward's crown. The Rose of England, the Thistle of Scotland, the Daffodil of Wales, and the Shamrock of Northern Ireland are drawn in the shape of St Edward's crown, with which King Charles III will be crowned on Saturday the 6th of May 2023 at Westminster Abbey. The emblem is in red, white and blue, the colours of the Union Jack. There is an English and a Welsh language version of the emblem. It was designed by Sir Johnny Ive and his creative collective Love From, symbolising the historic beginning of a new reign. The emblem will be used throughout the historic events in May, which include the coronation service at Westminster Abbey, the coronation concert at Windsor Castle, national events, street parties and community gatherings. It will also be used for official merchandise to commemorate the coronation and across digital and social media. Here at Twinkl, we have a bunting featuring the Coronation Emblem and a Union Jack, a posters pack, and a Coronation Emblem Union Jack poster. Head over to the Twinkl website to view our full range of resources.